Here we go. Jackson's Journey number 36. Come on in. We're on the Virgin Voyage Sea Terrace Edition. Last year when you all were with us on Virgin Voyage number 35, Jackson's Journey, we had a suite. We have since downgraded. I don't like it, but it was my fault, so blame me. But I want to show you what the Sea Terrace looks like. So the first thing we're going to do is look into the gentleman's quarter, the throne room. So here's the restroom or bathroom. So in here you can fit 2 people, although it's only 1 sink. Quite different from last year where we had double sinks, marble. But we do have makeup tiles for needed as well as regular tiles. We also have a step-in shower, which is great. But that's not it. That's the toilet with a glass door. So that's pretty cool. That's the toilet. And then this side is a shower for 2. Not very large, but a shower for 2. You need to come on in and take a look at the shower. I'm going to step back and you take it. Well, I'm going to step back. Come on. Come on, take a look at it. So we want to show them what a shower looks like. So 2 can fit in. It's not like what we had last year when we had the Rockstar suite. So again, this is a balcony, not a suite, but this will suffice. And one of the reasons, get me. Okay. One of the reasons that we chose to step down from a suite to from the Rockstar suite to a balcony is because of the number of excursions. We're going to be out quite a bit more here in Athens. So we've got, we're here in Athens, Greece. We have Santorini we're going to visit. We're going to visit Mykonos for 2 days. We're going to visit, I believe, Rhodes and Bodrum, which is Turkey. So we've got so many excursions that we're only going to have 1 day at sea, and that's the very last day. So because we would not be in the in the suite or in the room often, we decided to step down a bit and do a balcony. And I will tell you, I've been crying ever since I didn't get to Rockstar because I just love that status. Call my wife bougie if you want to, but we like the Rockstar status. Let's take a look at some of the other things that we have. So the hall is a little narrow. Now what they did provide here, they still have our seltzer water and our regular water, which is great, complimentary, no extra charge here. Remember on Virgin, no extra charges for gratuities. All that is counted into the pricing. So we have the water here. Yeah, and come on in. Last year we had a walk-in closet. You can take a look at our closet here. So no walk-in. Now, these are still larger. Yeah, these are still larger than the normal rooms. This is a suite, so plenty of space for our clothing. You have your safes here. You have your drawers here as well. And there's those new drawers you can just touch and they just slide by themselves. So that's a great feature. Again, a safe, your life jacket is here. Plenty of cabinet space here. So if you take a look there, you have a refrigerator. And that refrigerator, remember last year we were stocked with beer and Red Bulls and soda and juice. And this year, well, that's the difference in Rockstar and a balcony. It's not stocked at all. So, as you guys can recall last year when we sat in the area, what do we have? We had the record player, we had the music on. Remember the Rockstar status? And then when we looked into the bathroom, we have what I call the freak zone. You can see the big window, and I could see Nita as she was taking a shower, and you can see the silhouette of her body.
Okay.
Which told me it's time
keep
to
it
go
moving,
to the bathroom.
keep it rolling.
Okay, so we no longer have that. So take a look, Nita. We've got a chair. Last year we had a sofa. Please show the chair. This is last year I was on a sofa. This year I'm on a chair, but it's okay. So I want you to pan the bed. So here's what we're going to see. And we also had the table last year. This year we have this movable table. So we can slide this in and out or around. So you do have light switches here to turn on the lights for the bed, which is pretty cool. On and off. If you all remember last year, we could change the ambiance of the room with purple and red and yellow, so which was pretty cool. Not this year, but it's okay. Let's keep moving. So the bed is decent size. You've got on each side, you've got ports for USB ports, which is great. Need if you can, right behind by the chair. Come on, there we go. There we go. See, you got the ports there. USB ports. You've got the ports that they use for ULs as well, for American ports. So this is not a European ship in itself. So one thing I want to show you is we had a great 60-inch television last year. This year we've got a 42-inch, which is fine because we're not going to be in the room very much. And we're doing many excursions and many parts. All the things that we didn't do last year, we'll show you this year. So it's going to be great. And then last but not least, let's take a look at the balcony. The balcony is pretty much the same setup. It's a little larger. Something that I didn't notice, bunch of stuff. So the room we select a balcony 10-258. Has a partial view. So when we're taking or eating breakfast in the morning, we're not going to be able to see where we've docked or anything like that. So we've got a partial view, which is not constructed. So yeah, this is it. So again, they have the hammock, 2 seats. Did we have a shower last year or not? I don't know if we had a shower or not. We did? Yes, no. We had a shower last year, but we could take a shower here on the balcony. This one, we do not. And just like last year, I will not be sitting in the hammock. However, needed. Well, let's take a look. Let's go down. Let's get me in the hammock. Okay, so I'm just playing. Yeah, I'm just joking. Okay, so currently it's not working. But we're gonna call them up and have them come and fix that. Currently it's not working. So come on back in.
Okay.
Yeah, it works. I just can't get in it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Okay, so you guys had a chance to see our room, 10-258. Got a chance to see the bed, the chair, so quite different than last year. To turn the TV on, to turn everything on.
That changes the ambiance, babe.
This does change the ambiance?
That's still the same.
So, okay. So the ambiance does change.
Yes.
The biggest difference is the whole room looks totally different. That's it.
The big difference.
No alcohol. The bed looks different. The bathroom is different. It's not marble. Walk-in floor, different shower. So outside of that, we are on the Virgin Voyage Resilient Lady.
And you have $1,200.
Oh, okay. So that makes me feel much better.
Yes.
We have $1,200 to spend on this
board.
ship, whether it's eating or drinking or buying in a gift shop or even playing a casino. So that is the benefit, $1,200 to spend on board to enjoy ourselves. So
That's our perks.
Per our perks. And what I didn't tell you all, the owner, Sir Richard Branson, is on this particular voyage. Mm-hmm. And we'll get a chance to see, it's the same Virgin records, Richard Branson, who had airplanes, now he has ships, who has record deals, who was knighted by the Queen. He will be on this ship, he and some of his key members. And we get a chance, we've been elected to sit and do is it a TED Talk, honey? Was it what is it?
No, they want our opinion on the loyalty program.
On the loyalty program, in which we are part of, because this is our second sailing. And what was great about Virgin Voyages, they took our status from one of the other crew, the other ships, Carnival, and they've given us that entire status. So we are really considered platinum members, but it's called Deep Sea Blazers here on Virgin. So we're looking forward to having a great time. We're looking forward to having a great time in Greece and all those many places. So we'll come right back at you. We're going up to die. Bye for now.